Collegiate University, known today for teaching science, math, economics, computer. Should people should know that building the arts make institute is the teacher who make institute. My brother and sister, is there any school where all these manners are inculcated? I am Zora Zabi and I am a student of 5th standard at Crescent Public School, Kishanganj, Bihar. Today, I would like to talk about the aims and the objective of education. Once, a British asked Swami Vivekananda, "Why don't you wear good clothes and look like a gentleman?" With a smile on face, Swami Vivekananda replied, "In your culture, a tailor make a gentleman, but in our culture, character make a gentleman." I stand here today to put across my views about the aims and the objective of education. Millions of parents wake their children up early in the morning and send them to school, hoping to see them become doctor, engineers, IAS officer, and so on. Their expectation put a lot of pressure on their children, and during the course of their education, students tend to forget the real purpose of education. They, however, manage to fulfill the dreams of their parents by becoming doctor and engineers, but have no time for their friends and relatives. Well, my brother and sister, this is not the purpose of education. My brother and sister, education system today has lost its objective. It's become commercial. It's gone to the hands of money people as they can impress general people by providing infrastructure. My brother and sister, education system today has lost its objective. It's become commercial. It's gone to the hands of money people as they can impress general people by providing infrastructure. People should know that building the arts make institute is the teacher who make institute. My brother and sister, educated is not the person who graduate from a reputed university and hand over his parents to old age when they are burdened and need proper care. Educated is not the person who live lavish life and turn a blind eye to his neighbor with no concern if they are going to sleep empty stomach. My brother and sister, educated is a person who may even give up his job if required and turns to his parents to serve them when they are burdened and need proper care. Educated is a person who holds his arm and expedite the patient even at the time of hardship. Educated is a person who develops the habits of forgiving people despite know they are wrong and guilty. My brother and sister, is there any school where all these manners are inculcated? Is there any college where all these values are nurtured? Is there any university where lessons of honesty and bravery are important? School, collegiate university are known today for teaching science, math, economics, computer. My brother and sister, this world doesn't need a school that produce doctor and engineer, but fail to inculcate manners in them, fail to instill confidence in them, fail to nurture value in them, fail to make them outspoken individuals.